Hello and welcome back to the channel. Something slightly different today for this video. I'm going to do a talk through, obviously on one of my videos. It's about 2 years old, this video is, so yeah, hopefully show you all Pothole Pro in full element, and yeah, let's go for it. So obviously this is the Cymex JCB playing it, and you can see it slewing to the left hand side. We can go all the way over to the left hand side, and then we jut out about 400, 450. Allows you to get up to the curb edge. So yeah, it's great for doing curb edge waves as well. Obviously onboard water with this as well, and we can control all the hydraulics from the luxury of the cab. That white dial in the middle of there, that will allow us to go from 0 to 170mm either side, and then the white gauge just at the top where the orange arrow is, that you can see it's coming up. So that's set to 40, straight run this one is, no braking, no turning, or any axle work on this road here. So yeah, we're going to engage the plane. All controlled by a cab. I say it's got water dust suppression on, and put it in creep speed. And we can just gently put the throttle to the floor. Usually set it to 3.5 miles an hour. So yeah, that allows us to nicely just go and cut along with the plane there, and then lower it back down again, just so it's out of the way, and then we can pick it up. That's as easy as planing would be. Slide it back, there showing the tilt function. If we wanted to, we can control all that by the cab as well. If you've got anything on a modulation or different ground conditions or anything, it gives that extra flexibility and that extra luxury to yeah, not overcut, undercut. So obviously you do your first one full cut, and then if you're doing subsequent cuts, I like to just drop one side that you're already prior cut, and then yeah, then you can cut the other side after. Obviously here's the 1.2 meter sweeper collector. There's a collector in there, and then you've got a sweeper brush there, as you can see. All onboard water as well. So that white tank there has got a water tank. It's good for 150 square if you've got the water set to low. So yeah, that allows us to clean everything up direct inside. You can see it just going into the hopper of the sweeper collector. And we're just going to do this side here. It allows us to get right nice up on the curb edge. On the right hand side you can get closer to the curb edge, because you can see on the left of the bucket there, that's where the sweeper motor housing is. And then we've got the full functionality of the tilt rotator on that as well. And obviously, if you've got anything in the gutter edge, we can tilt the tilt rotator, and then the sweeper will collect that up quite easily and nicely as well. Pass you the sweeper that just any of the remains that has come out of the cut. Really nice and tight. You can see the water there, no dust as well. And then here we go, one more final. I keep being told I'm a bit sad on making sure it's nice and swept clean, but I think you've got to give it the best chance possible, haven't you? And a nice clean cut is the best way for it. Obviously here as well we've got the onboard breaker, all controlled by the cab as well, like 2 buttons, auxiliaries, so you're not getting out with your beaver pack or 2-stroke breaker, and you're away, you're a good probably about 8 meters away from the actual noise and the incident, so no hand-on vibration, no noise impact. You're in a nice sealed cabin where you're playing the music, nice and warm, so you haven't got to worry about hand-on vibration as well, or the noise as well. So we can sit quite comfortably there, and it's not back breaking, is it? As you can see. So you might see the cracks increasing the other side of the pothole patch. It's going to get a slurry dressing after this, so yeah, don't worry about that. That's sealed up all then. So obviously using the onboard sweeper again, them edges we broke, we can sweep them up quite nice and easily, and yeah, really provides a nice clean, crisp finish to just apply tarmac to. You know, you really haven't got to worry about the reinstatement with this machine, and yeah, it takes all the back braking, all the hard work away. And then, you know, we can lift into 18-ton grab wagons, 18-ton tippers, 32-ton tippers with no problem. It does give you that real easy luxury. And there you go, short, sweet, but yeah, says everything about the machine. So thanks for watching, and yeah, see you on the next video. Thank you.